Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best waterless car wash products that are available on the market for their true quality. You can find the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Taking the 5th spot is the Rain X 62143 Waterless Car Wash and Rain Repellent. This product is designed for quick and easy detailing, providing a clean, shiny finish without the need for water. One of its standout features is the Rain X water-repelling technology, which not only cleans, but also adds a layer of protection to your vehicle's exterior, making it ideal for those rainy days. It's eco-friendly and perfect for apartments, garages, or areas with water restrictions. In terms of design, the 23-ounce spray bottle is ergonomic and easy to handle, ensuring you can apply the product evenly across your vehicle's surface. The formula is highly lubricated, reducing the risk of scratches during application. However, it is worth noting that it is unscented, which could be a pro or con, depending on your preference. Performance-wise, the Rain X Waterless Car Wash excels at removing light dirt, dust, and grime, leaving a spot-free finish. However, it struggles a bit with heavier dirt or mud, so it's best suited for light cleaning or touch-ups. The price wasn't listed, but based on its features and Rain X's reputation, it offers decent value for those prioritizing water conservation. Pros include its water-repelling properties and ease of use, while cons include limited effectiveness for heavily soiled vehicles. At number 4, we have the 3D Waterless Car Wash, a 1-gallon jug of eco-friendly cleaning power. This product is ideal for those who want a larger quantity for multiple uses, whether on cars, RVs, or boats. The formula is scratch-free and contains premium lubricants that safely lift dirt from your paint, making it perfect for quick, waterless cleaning sessions. The build quality of the product is straightforward, a durable plastic jug with a secure cap to prevent leaks. While it lacks the convenience of a ready-to-use spray bottle, its larger size makes it a cost-effective choice for frequent users. The scent is a refreshing green apple, which adds a nice touch during application. In real-world use, the 3D Waterless Car Wash performs well on light to medium dirt, leaving a clean and polished look on your vehicle. However, the lack of a spray nozzle means you'll need to transfer it to a smaller bottle for ease of use. It's priced competitively for the amount you get, making it an excellent value for those who clean their vehicles often. Pros include its scratch-free formula and cost-effectiveness, while cons are the lack of a spray nozzle and slightly less convenience compared to smaller bottles. Coming in at number 3 is Adams Polish's Waterless Wash. This product is a go-to for car enthusiasts who want a premium cleaning experience. The formula is packed with surfactants and emulsifiers that encapsulate dirt and grime, ensuring a scratch-free finish. It's designed to be used without water, making it perfect for those who live in areas with water restrictions or simply want a quick cleaning solution. The pack of 2 bottles is convenient for frequent use, and the tropical scent adds a pleasant touch to the cleaning process. The design of the spray bottle is intuitive and easy to use, allowing for precise application. Adams Polishes also recommends using their waffle weave microfiber towels for maximum effectiveness, which complements the product's lubricating formula. In terms of performance, this product excels at removing light dirt and dust while enhancing your vehicle's shine. It's particularly effective when paired with Adams Detail Spray for added gloss. However, it's not the best option for heavy-duty cleaning or vehicles with significant grime buildup. The price for this pack wasn't listed, but considering the brand's reputation and the product's performance, it's worth the investment for detail-oriented car owners. Pros include its high-quality formula and pleasant scent, while cons are its limited effectiveness on heavily soiled vehicles. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.